Number 108, so number series, 48, 24, 12, 6, what is the next number? So kapag ganitong number series, tingnan nyo yung pagbaba niya, 48 naging 24, 24 naging 12, and then 12 naging 6. So mabilis yung pagbaba, so malamang ang pattern dito ay division. Okay? So pag mabilis yung pagbaba niya. So 48 naging 24, so mapapansin nyo, dinivide lang yan sa 2. 48 divided by 2, that is 24. Then 24 naging 12. So dinivide ulit sa 2. So 24 divided by 2, that is 12. So malamang ang pattern na nito ay divided by 2 lahat. Then we have 12 naging 6. So confirmed na nga, divided by 2. 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So ang next number natin, yung 6, i-divide ulit natin sa 2. 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. So the correct answer is letter C, 3. Follow for more.